So the Delhi blast investigation is zeroing in on what the NIA now calls was the Delta 6 or D6 plan. So what is the D6 plan? The Delta 6 plan was a two-tier blueprint designed to trigger maximum damage chaos in the country. Investigators believe that Plan A was a wave of serial blasts in Delhi on the 6th of December. When that plan did not succeed, Plan B was a high-intensity, high-impact suicide strike again on the 6th of December in Delhi. Forensics indicate Umar may actually have been a shoe bomber. Traces of the explosive TATP, you know, the mother of Satan explosive, were found on a metal plate in his shoes. A major breakthrough came with the arrest of Amir Rashid Ali. Now you'll ask, who's Amir Rashid Ali? Amir Rashid Ali was a key aide of the bomber Dr. Umar Nabi. He had certain ideas about this entire plot. The NIA says he helped acquire that I-20 car that was used in the suicide attack. He's now in 10 days custody, and that led to the arrest of Jasir. Jasir was a drone operator. He knew how drones operate. So the bigger plan was not just to use a VBIED, a vehicle-borne improvised explosive device, but also use a drone to drop improvised explosive devices on various strategic locations that they were scouting, had already scouted. Now, India Today's Shreya Chatterjee and Arvind Ojha bring us this report.
The Delhi blast probe has entered a critical phase as authorities close in on the terror network behind the attack. On Sunday, the National Investigation Agency arrested Amir Rashid Ali, a close aide of bomber Dr. Umar Nabi from Kashmir. Amir Rashid Ali, accused of playing a direct role in the attack, was produced in Patiala House Court on Monday, which remanded him to 10-day NIA custody. Ali allegedly helped Umar purchase the I-20 car, registered in his name, which became the vehicle for the deadly blast.
मैंने पर्सनली एक्यूज से बात की थी. मुझे एक भी शिकन उसके चेहरे पर नजर नहीं आई. मुझे बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कोई भी अफसोस कहीं से भी उसको है. तो ये बहुत शायद पक्की
कोई किसी तरह की रिग्रेट कोई भी नहीं है.
आई फाइंड ऑन हिज फेस. मैंने उससे पूछा कि वो गाड़ी के आपके नाम पे रजिस्टर थी. ये सर यस, वो गाड़ी मेरे नाम पे रजिस्टर थी.
The Delhi blast, now confirmed as a suicide attack, was reportedly codenamed D6. Sources claim it may have been a double-layered terror plan. Plan A was serial blasts across cities on December 6, the Babri demolition anniversary, aimed at nationwide chaos. Plan B was a high-impact suicide blast in Delhi 6, which was executed when Plan A failed. Investigators believe Umar may have been a shoe bomber, as a metal plate with triacetone triperoxide or TATP was found in his shoe. TATP, a highly unstable compound known as Mother of Satan, is capable of detonating on impact or heat. This underscores the desperate and dangerous improvisation behind the blast. It is pertinent to note that the initial inquiry in the Srinagar blast states that it was possibly triggered by a liquid explosive mixture of hydrogen peroxide and acetophenone during sampling process. With Dr. Shaheen Shahid and Dr. Umar Nabi allegedly at the heart of this conspiracy, probe agencies continue to unravel a chilling terror web, a plot that could have engulfed the nation in terror. With Shreya Chatterjee and Arvind Ojha in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.